Tipsters, today is Monday, April 13th, and today we will be able to determine the main idea, details, and summary of a nonfiction text. So, remember, a main idea has a topic, one or two words about what the text is about. The main idea is the most important part or thought of the topic. So remember, our topic has to be included in our main idea. And then details, supporting details, or facts or examples or details that support, that help and describe the main idea. So it has to match the main idea and the topic, and it needs to be able to support it. We're also finding the summary today. So a summary for nonfiction includes the main idea, only important details, and uses keywords and in your own words. So we are looking at nonfiction today. We have key details with our main idea, and it has to be in logical order. All right? So these are the instructions for today's lesson. So if you push present, you should have your video, and it will begin playing on its own once I fix the slide. And then this is what we're looking at. Next, we are going to look at two videos. You're going to click them, double click, you'll watch how to find the main idea, double click, and you'll see how to find a nonfiction summary. Third slide is the introduction. There will be a recording here. It will play automatically once I fix it, and you are going to listen to me read this to you. You're going to answer your questions, which the summary include. You're going to double click it. Bam, bam. And then you're going to type your answer here. But make sure you're writing complete sentences. And go back to the text. Same thing. What is the main idea and what are details? Double click. And then write. But make sure, once again, you are writing complete sentences and going back to the text. Are you okay? My baby's here. He's crying. I'm trying to get through this before. Then we're going to go to the model. If you push present, it should automatically start playing for you. So watch that. All right. Then here's just what the model looks like. So you can see the whole thing at the same right after you watch the video, so you can see how it looks. Then you're gonna go to your try it section. I've read this to you already. If you need to hear me read it to you again, go back to the video so you can hear me read it. Your instructions are read the passage and determine the main idea. So it says write the main idea of the first paragraph in your own words. You're going to go back to the first paragraph, read it, and then you're going to write it in your own words right here. So I will even put the stem for you here. The main idea of paragraph 1 is, and then your job is to answer the question. Then you are going to look at this, and remember, I want you to use your steps. Steps 1, organize your thinking, which is right here. So you're telling me the main paragraph. Then unpack the question. Ask yourself, what is this question asking me? 3, eliminate the worst answers. And then 4, justify, choose your best answer and justify. So you grab the circle and you move it wherever you think it is. And then you write, the best answer is because. Okay? Then we're going to move to our guided practice. I'm super duper excited. So, your guided practice, you are going to read it. All right? You're going to read this to yourself. You're going to write the gist right here. So, write your gist for what it's about right here. Then you are going to choose your best answer and justify it. But also, before you do that, step 1 is organize your thinking. So I want you to tell me what is the main idea of your of the whole selection right here. Then you're going to unpack the question. Ask yourself, what is this question asking me? Step 3, you're going to eliminate your answers, figure out which one is the worst. And then 4, you're going to choose your best answer by moving the circle. And then you're going to justify your answer right here by double clicking and writing. All right? So step 1, organize your thinking. Step 2, unpack the question. Step 3, eliminate the answers. And step 4, choose your best answer and justify. slide, you're going to do the instructions. It says reread this one, John B. Stinson. You're going to reread this. And then I've organized your thinking for you. However, I want you to find one detail that does not belong. So there are 4 details, but one of them does not belong. Remember, you do not want interesting details. So if it's an interesting detail, you're going to grab this X and you're going to put it over the interesting detail. So let me go over those instructions one more time because I'm pretty sure you could hear this little dude screaming and yelling. So 1 says reread John B. Stinson. So read this again. Yes. Step 2, read the main idea graphic organizer. So I just want you to read this, all of it, okay? And then step 3 says one of the details does not belong. Hint, no interesting details, only important. Put an X on the detail that does not belong. So you're going to grab this and you're going to put it over the detail that is interesting, that's not important, and that does not support the main idea. That's your first part of your guided practice. Then you're going to answer this question. So it says, reread this hat. So you're reading it again. Yes, you're going to understand what a scented hat is. Then you're going to go back to slide 7. So you're literally going back over here and you're going to slide 8. You're going to go back to slide 8. Let me fix that for you. And you're going to read this graphic organizer with that detail out already. Okay? Because this will help you answer your summary question. And then you're going to answer the summary question and justify your answers. So you're looking for the best summary of the whole selection, which means you need to go to organize your thinking, which is slide 8. Then you're going to unpack the question. What is the question asking you? You're going to eliminate the worst answers, and then you're going to choose the best answer by picking up a circle and then justifying your answer. I know, right? Remember, a summary should have 3 things. The main idea, important details, and it is in logical order. If it has the main idea, an interesting detail, and it's all over the place, that's not the best answer. If it has the main idea, it's in logical order, but it has interesting details, that is not the summary. You want 3 things. Main idea, important details, and logical order. Remember, this graphic organizer on slide 8 can most definitely help you. Okay? And then your last slide is slide 10. Slide 10, you're just going to watch this video, and this is the Empire State Building. I just want you to see what the Empire State Building looks like, and then watch this video because this is going to help you build your background knowledge for your exit ticket. All right? Remember, if you need help, if you're confused, please text me. Please go on to our meetings at 10 or 1 p.m., 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays so we can help you, or leave a comment in the Google Classroom. Please try your best, do your work. I miss y'all very much. I cannot wait until May, whatever we come back. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers. I know some of y'all are having a great time, but I miss y'all very much. So, bye. Say bye. Bye. No, you don't want to say bye? Okay, don't say bye.